Hey, what's happening? How would you like to be able to make $1,400 this week and it didn't even cost you anything to get started? If that sounds good to you, stick around and show you exactly how it works and how simple it actually is. So what I'm talking about here is this investment app. It's called Acorns. And to be perfectly transparent with you, when I say that you can do this without any cost, what I mean is you're going to invest just $5 and they're going to give you $5 right back just for doing that. So essentially there's zero cost. The only other thing you got to do is once you sign up by going to the link right in the description of this video, is you got to invest your $5 and then all you have to do is click on the invite friends, which is going to look just like this, and follow the instructions. All you got to do is start sharing this opportunity with anybody and everybody who would like to be able to make some extra money. So let me just back up here. All right, so this is insane to me because if you think about it, one of the complaints I get a lot of the time when I'm sharing things that can help people make more money is I have no money. I have no money. It costs money to make money. And with these promotions that this investment app does, that's not the truth. That's a misconception. That's a myth because literally you invest $5. So you sign up for this app. It's free to sign up. You invest just $5. They're going to give you $5 right back. And then you go and invite five friends. And those five friends go and sign up. They create an account and they invest $5. They're going to give you $1,400 for doing only that. So that's insane, right? I mean, how many of you would like to be able to have an extra $1,400? And here's the cool thing about this. They do this weekly. Like just about every week, there's some type of a promotion going on. Let's see what's going on here. There's some type of a promotion going on where they give you the opportunity to go out and refer people and pay you a certain amount. So last week it was $350. This week is $1,400. Obviously, 1,400 is a whole lot more than 350. And yes, this is going to be invested into your account so you can start growing, a savings, a retirement fund, a whatever you want it to be. But here's the thing: you could also withdraw it right into your bank account. Now, I've done these promotions for a while now, and there's been times where I've had the $900. There's been times where it's been less, like last week was 350. But this is fantastic. All you got to do is share it with some other people. Now, you may be like, oh, I don't know. I don't know if I can share it with people. Well, it's very simple. All you got to do is reach out to, could be people you know, it could be people you don't know. If you go on social media, there's billions of people on social media. All you got to do is go out and start sharing it with those people. Like, hey, if I could show you how you could make $1,400 this week and it didn't cost you anything, would you be open to looking at that? And most likely, you're going to get some people that are going to go and do it. Now, there will be people that come on, they're going to get the free app, and they're not going to invest the $5 for whatever reason. I mean, you get the money right back, so you're really not losing any money whatsoever. The cool thing, too, is every single time you refer someone, they're going to give you $5 for your investment account. Okay, so I'm not going to go into detail about what Acorns is. You could definitely check that out. I mean, if we come here, you can learn about it. If you scroll down, investing long term, it makes investing easy, aim for your goals. Is investing a wise thing to do? Absolutely, right? And this makes it easy. Like if you want to increase your account, like if you want to start investing, working with these promotions, like using these promotions to your advantage, leveraging these promotions can really help you start stacking, right? Really help you start growing your money. And like I said, if you don't want to do that, you could always withdraw it and you could always just have it go right to your bank account. So it's like really creating income, creating money out of thin air almost, if you think about it. Because again, free to do. So just go to the link in the description. You're going to see a link tree. Go to where it says Acorns, click on that, create your free app. or create your free app, sign up for the app, and then invest your $5, and then you could get your link and you can start sharing it. So you have the opportunity of making $1,400 this week. Do not take forever on this. Like, you want to jump on this right away because the offer ends on 10/12/2024. Again, they typically do these weekly. Some weeks it's only $5. Some weeks it's like this week it's 1,400. I've seen them 1,500. Um, I don't know anything else where you can make this kind of money this quickly for such an easy and simple thing. It doesn't cost you anything to do. It doesn't cost you anything. I mean, you can even do what I'm doing, where you're making videos. You can go make short videos and talk about this, and you'll probably start getting some people. It may not happen right away. You might need to develop an audience first, but it will happen at some point. And then you're either stacking your investment, right? You're growing your money's working for you, or you're using it for whatever you want to use it for. Okay, so I think it's pretty awesome. Um, I use it for myself. That's why I'm making these videos, sharing it with you, because obviously, 1,400, who couldn't use that, right? And they do pay, and they do pay. I've been paid multiple times for sharing this, and it goes right into your account. And like I said, you can withdraw it to your bank account if that's something you want to do. How it works: invite friends. The friends invest. Friends must successfully complete their first investment within 14 days of the offer in date. Okay. So, and then you receive your reward within 30 days once they confirm everything. Okay. And again, they do these every week. So, really, there's no reason at all anyone should be like saying they don't have money when this exists. It's just a matter of, are you going to do the work? Are you going to put yourself out there and share it with other people? Or are you going to be afraid of what others are going to think of you? You're not going to bless anybody else. And that's it, right? So, but this whole I don't have money thing should be a thing of the past, because they give you these offers every week. Like I said, you could literally turn $5, and again, it's $0 because they give you the $5 right back. But let's just say you're paying $5, because some of you might be like, oh, I had to invest $5. No, $5, they give you $5 back. So essentially it's free. And then it's up to you how you want to market, how you want to promote it, how you want to share it. The most simple way, and the way I was always hitting these numbers, was I would go on social media, I'd reach out to people, and I'd ask them, hey, I found a way where I can make $1,400 this week for only $5. Is that something you would be open to learning about? And then I would send them the information. That's it. Very simple to do. That works. Again, if you're a little more savvy, you could start making videos. And videos sometimes take a little time to kick in, but those are videos, those are your employees. They're like going to work for you 24/7 once you get those videos up. So even if the promotion has ended, you're still going to make that $5. And who knows, they might hit that next promotion for you. So it'll be an ongoing thing, right? So anyway, just want to share it with you. Again, go to the link in the description. Go ahead and click on the button that says Acorns. You'll see it. It's very easy to find. Get your free app, invest your $5, and go and make your $1,400 this week. Thanks for watching. See you next time.